So we're here with a new car, and not just any new car. So this is a 2026 Mini Cooper S convertible, Paul Smith edition. However, it is not the Paul Smith edition that is coming to the US soon, and they are starting production of those, and those will be out soon. This is one that was custom done, and done in a way that I think is pretty cool. Now, we all know that Paul Smith is known for his stripe work, and in the case of this car, they really went all out with the stripes. Look at that. That is incredible on the A panels and down the bonnet. We got the same thing going on all the way down to the front bumper. So quite a lot of detail just to make this car really cool. And to make it even more cool, it's less than 30 degrees outside. I'm kidding. To make this car more cool, it is a John Cooper Works packaged Cooper S. So you got the John Cooper Works bumpers and grille, you got the John Cooper Works wheels, you got the side skirts, you got the fender flares, you got the seats inside, these beautiful seats. The whole interior is really, really nice, and you have the Union Jack convertible top, nice touch there. You have the tail lights that people actually really like. They love these new lights on the convertible. Jury's still out on the hardtop. And of course you got a white rear valance diffuser panel with those little fins, and you even have the stripes going down the back of the car. Just another added touch. Really, really looks cool. This Nanook white with the black and those beautiful stripes really just creates a fun, vibrant look to what would normally be a very plain, though metallic, car. Now, of course, inside it also even has powered seats. It has paddle shifters for the steering wheel, USB-C ports. It's really just a nice car overall. Quite a nice vehicle. It even has navigation, of course, because why not? And then, of course, if you go under the bonnet, you have 201 horsepower, 221 pound-feet of torque, the little B48 engine that could. This thing is incredible. Great engine, fun to drive car, beautiful looking car. This stripe work is courtesy of motoringstripes.com. Todd Pearson does fantastic work, and this is another great example of his work. The stripes just look really good. The vinyl looks really good. The details look really good. It's a really nicely done spec. Now, who's it going to be that's going to buy it? And if you're going to be buying it, are you going to be taking it to Miniac States this year? It's coming up. Well, it's coming up in July, because I don't think they'd want to do it right now when it's very, very cold out. But I don't know when, and I don't know where we're going. But I know I'll be there. So that's this beautiful convertible right here. I am the Miniac. And until next time, thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.